Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to scan the QR code in phonepe application and it shows unable to verify the QR code. UPI does not exist. But one more time I try to scan that same QR code. But my bad luck, it shows that same error message. So how to fix this issue? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this issue happening? And this is occurs for two possible reasons. And the one is that particular UPI ID is removed or deactivated by the user. So at that time, if you try to scan that QR code, it shows this kind of message. And the second one of the reason is due to this phonepe server problem. So anyway, for example, if it shows unable to verify QR code message, you can send the money by entering the UPI ID. So here I try to type this UPI ID. But it shows this UPI ID does not exist, which means that I surely tell you that receiver deactivated this particular UPI ID. So there is no possible to send the money to this person. So friends, before going to send the money, first of all check it if that UPI ID is active or not. And also check it if you give the following access permission for this phonepe app, because sometime if you does not give any access permission, it shows another issue. So just check it. So anyway, this video not have a solution because this type of errors are not fixable one. So the video making purpose is some YouTube video shows if you get this message, just one time clear that phonepe app data and then this problem is fixed. So my point of view, this is wrong and also this is waste of time. So if you clear your data and it asks for the mobile registration process from the beginning, so don't do this step. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.